What's up guys, welcome back to iFix Tech. Today I have something very cool. It's a TOZO TOZO S6 Smartwatch. This is a new product that TOZO has released. If you don't know TOZO, they have many different products. I use many of them, like the headphones. They're really cool. I do love them. Of course, I made some customizations. I like them a lot. I have a video about these ones also. But this time it is about the S6. Let's take a look. The box looks really nice. Some of the features of the smartwatch. 1.5 AMOLED screen, which is cool. Something very cool on this smartwatch is really affordable. It looks nice, but also not really expensive. If you use some of the more famous one like Galaxy or maybe Apple smartwatch, they really good, but they're really expensive. So this time I'm trying to see if we can have good smartwatch but on a good price also. This one you can get it like under 50 bucks maybe. And when you open, here's the manual, and the box itself looks really clean. It looks cool. What is in here? I'm going to open this little box. Maybe it should be the charger. Let's take a look. Yep, this gotta be the charger. USB charger. As you can see here, this is the way you will charge. Here are some manuals. Cool. I'm pretty sure later we're gonna have some time to review that. Here are the width of the smartwatch. They look really nice. They feel strong. They don't feel cheap. They don't feel they feel really solid. Let's look at the smartwatch itself. Yeah, it feels nice. If you look on the back, also the quality, it looks good. This is where you will charge it. With the charger, it will connect this way. Yeah, it's magnetic. You got to do it in the right way. Yep, just like that. Now looking at the smartwatch itself, it looks nice. I'm gonna try to put those reads and see how easy is that. So pretty much it has this where you can use it to release. Hey, you're gonna do one side, then you're gonna use this. Couldn't do it in the first try. Let's try again. Doop. Okay, I was finally able to put it on, but I'm gonna tell you, you gotta be a little patient. Just try to do it the right way, and you should be able to succeed. Not like me, I tried many times. Let's turn on this guy, because you press one of these buttons. Yep, this one, and you will set up your smartwatch. Let's select English. Yeah, right away we see that you need to download that TOZO Health app. We're going to do that right now, and we'll figure it out. Oh, you can also scan this QR code, name of the device, all that. Let's do that real quick and get back to you. All right, so far it looks really nice. We have already set it up with the TOZO Health app. You can see it looks nice. It looks kind of Apple smartwatch if you think so. The screen, the touch feels really nice. The screen quality looks nice too. It doesn't look like a cheap smartwatch at all, and I do like it. And there's a lot of different stuff. You can always change different face of the watch if you wish. I'm gonna be testing all these functions. This is very much just like an unboxing. I do like this. It feels nice. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And remember, you can get it for less than 50 bucks. So I'm gonna leave the link down in the description if you're interested in get this one. TOZO, I believe, made a really good work on this device, but I can't really tell until I fully test this one. So I'm gonna be spending the next day testing it, and I will get back with my final impression. But my first impression, I do like it. It's nice. Doesn't feel cheap at all. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.